so tall. Check, check, check.
Check, 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 check.
Hey, hey, hey. So we can start whenever? So my name is Zander Gray. Before I start, I just realized when I was making my set list, every damn song is sad as shit, so I apologize beforehand. Everything I hope for lies in this deceitful one. Everything I hope for falters. Everything I hope for lies in this deceitful one. Everything I hope for falters. I'm alone and I can't find the right words to say. On the line and all just feels so blindly boot on my lead. I'm alone and I can't find the right words to say. I can't be here. Break free, break free. Do you believe me? Break free, break free, break free. Do you believe me? I can't sense honesty. Stalling and blindfold, I'm mindful. Oh, you've noticed difficulty. I can't sense honesty. Stalling and mindful, I'm blindfold. Oh, you notice difficulty. This time again, you won't see me fall for you. This time again, you won't see me fall for this as we go. As we go inside, I'm alone and I can't find the right words to say. Fall in line and all this feels so blindly boot on my lead. I'm alone and I can't find the right words to say. Thank you. The song's called Home Alone and it's not about the movie. Well, thanks for coming out. Thanks for Woodwork Tattoo for having this. This next one, it's technically a cover. It's from my old band, but I wrote it. So is it a cover? Does it? Okay, it's my song. God damn it! All right. It's called My Own Nebula. Words cut like daggers, but still longer. Exactly like shrapnel. My mind exhausted, pulling myself out begins inside of me. Green with envy, possibly known for the strongest one in my horde. Pulling myself up begins inside of me. Is it worth everything? Contemplate and flee. Bring your will into life. Do you have what it takes? Do you? Could you see yourself in the light? Could you take it away? Could you? Bring my mind into life. Do I have what it takes? Do I? Is it worth everything? Contemplate and flee. You see my side. Oh, you can't escape my side. Oh, you can't escape my side. Oh, thank you. Who's up next? Is it Alex Ellis or Kristen Rich?
All right, flip the coin, guys.
I'll go. Not really.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm not done yet, man. I'm just asking.
Oh, you're good.
Jeez. Just kidding.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so this next one, I wrote this, I want to say 15 years ago. It's an old song, so it's called Treachery in the First Degree. Again, it's somber. Is this the end? 'Cause I'm wide awake. Just push rewind. Then our life is in rebound. With my heart on my sleeve, and I'm bleeding out. Quandary. Porcelain, these states are mistaken. My hands, they are shaking. But to you, this is motion, heavy and loaded. Green like tangerine. You are a monster, a beautiful fiend. Green like tangerine, imposter, a beautiful fiend. Yeah. This is erratic. It is your skin, a beautiful facade. Green like tangerine. beautiful feet. You're rain, light tangerine, and blossom. Beautiful, you're beautiful. Thank you. How long have I got? I don't want to. God, this one's sad too, man. Dang it. I'm gonna skip this one. So this next one's super new. I wrote it yesterday and I finished it today. So I have cheat sheet over here. So. Is it just me, bloody and bruised and alone? Is it just me? I don't see it change and it shows. Is it just me, bloody and bruised and alone? Is it just me? I'm afraid my time has finally come. Be afraid, I'm afraid situations change when it's around. Is it just me, bloody and bruised and alone? Is it just me? I don't see a change, it never shows. Is it just me, bloody and bruised and alone? Is it just me? Oh, I don't wanna go. You falter, I falter. We're falling through this darkness, I'm on and undesired, falling off my game. Just me, bloody and bruised and alone. Is it just me? I don't see it change, it never shows. Is it just me, bloody and bruised and alone? Is it just me? Oh, go. Thank you. So I want to do one more song. It's gonna be heavy metal. Devil's Lettuce music. It's an old one. It's called In Demand, and I think either Christian Rich or Alex Ellis is up next. So. Why don't you just slow down? Your movements are twisting me inside out. I do believe gray is the color of your skin. Move on, let go of the things you can't predict. moments are slowly drifting. I can't believe we're going on like this. Yeah. Just follow me. Just follow me. Another way, that's another way. It's in the stars. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. We can't go on. It's wrong to say we're okay. Another way, that's another way. It's in the stars. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. We can't go on. It's wrong to say we're okay. Yo, can't be so cold. It's beyond me. I won't believe that's just the way it is. Float and sway away. Float and sway away. Yeah. Just follow me. Just follow me. Thank you. I'm Zander Gray.